Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 cordless vacuum cleaners of 2021. The list starts from Byserten cordless with tangle-free brush roll, smart seal filtration, lightweight stick hand vacuum. Its 22V lithium-ion battery offers cordless convenience with 3 cleaning modes. It's the mess-free dirt tank with clean slide technology, allows you control the dust and dirt to eliminate the cleanup after the cleanup. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Byserten cordless vacuum 10-pop powerful suction 35 min running 4-in-1 handheld stick vacuum. Its 2200 mAh 6-cell battery supports 35 min long-last 6x 3.7V battery inside support the vacuum with outstanding good running time up to 35 mins at 6 kPa 18 min super 10 kPa. 2 adjustable modes adapt to different situations and allow full use of the battery. Detachable battery is convenient to charge separately or purchase a spare one. Its 4-in-1 design fits all work and room, adopts uniformed interface on each brushes. Packaged with pet sofa brush, motorized brush, crevice tool can be freely converted between handheld vacuum, floor vacuum, curtain vacuum, motorized sofa vacuum. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. MEIGO cordless vacuum 10-pop powerful suction 4-in-1 stick handheld vacuum cleaner.